Hey folks, it's Greg from Celette. Hey, we're back here at Automotive Collision Repair in Oakland, California for another visit. Let's go in and see what we got going. I know for sure that we're going to be doing some training on the Cameleon today, so we're going to go in and see what they got set up for us. Okay, Joe, you're going to want to leave that loose by just about a little bit so you can shake the jig. Yeah, leave those bolts just slightly loose, if you don't mind. A little bit looser. Just leave them screwed, finger loose. There we go.
Get my little loose, just
Yeah, I'll show you why. Okay, so when you set the jig down, the car down on the jig, you have this little thing. Yeah. Okay. So if it sits down and the car's sitting on the bolt sits on this edge, you get to wiggle the jig this much, keep the edge and drop in. Okay? So maybe just slightly this way. So we're about ready to set it down.
I thought that was a trick that I had invented, because I would do that because when you order jigs, they're precise. They don't have that much play, that millimeter.
Right.
They don't have that. So what I would do is just leave it loose, get it to pop in, and then tighten them up.
Right. Okay, you ready? You got your...
this guy so much, I don't know how he's going to bring me back.
Are you reading this off? All right. Goes on the main beam. Check the sheet that you have already out. This is number 5, good.
Go slow.
Go ahead.
The rear's in.
Okay. Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going, Cobra. Go ahead.
Keep going.
Keep going. It's on the bench.
Hell yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
That's the way we do it.
We can close to 6 or 7 and see it.
Everything's sitting very nicely, gentlemen. Sitting in the pile holes? Yes, sir.
Do you need these loose as well?
No,
You want to tighten these?
you want to tighten those up. Just get all the bolts in them first. You don't have to tighten them real tight. Just get the bolts in them first so it sits flat.
I want that one snug so it's not fucking...
That's what I said, so it sits flat. Okay?
What is, yeah,
There we go.
I mean, usually, you buy it.
So the bolts for those, the proper bolts for those, Joe, over here in the top of this cart right here. You can tell, that's the size right there. Okay, check them against those other bolts. I believe they're 35 millimeters.
Against the... Which other ones?
This in here. Check them against this. Okay.
It looks like it's a little...
Okay. Check against this. We're just checking just so you can see.
No, this one's shorter.
Okay. Well, this one I'm getting at. They're special.
Oh, they're
only-
specifically for
they're
that.
specifically for this point on the bar.
No other bolt will work.
No other bolt is meant for it. It's the right length, so you need 4 of those. Yep, that's correct.
They go to the bottom?
Yes. Now, let's go look at the sheet and see if we can determine where this goes.
Open it and see what it is.
It should tell us number 7 or 8 or 9 on the sheet. Okay. How do we know that?
So position 8.
Position above the front tower, number 8. Very good. Okay. So you go ahead and bolt it on there. And then we'll go ahead and move to the jigs after that.
We're almost there.
Okay. We'll be done here in a little while. And we probably should build a couple other jigs for the angle jigs that might mount to the rear body panel or front bumper mounting point. You may have to slide it forward or back a little bit, guys. The 8 should be centered right over the piston. There you go.
Let me know exactly what Q5 is it for.
Well, folks, we've got the Cameleon all set up. Joseph and Cobra have done a great job. Let me train them today, and I'm going to let you hear from them what they think of the Cameleon and the training, and go from there. What do you think?
It's definitely easier than it looks.
Yeah.
I was scared in the beginning because it's a lot of parts, but they all make sense, and it's actually a really good equipment.
Yeah, seeing all the pieces is kind of scary at first, but once you get into the system, it kind of makes sense.
Yeah. It's not too hard if you got a map to follow, right?
Yep, it's like Legos.
Yep. Okay. Well, folks, there you have it. If you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share, and have a great day. Greg Fritz signing out.
It's that video.